Master, what the heck are we doing? Huh? What? Why during school hours are we carrying this tank? Huh, Master? Huh? Any comment? Any comment?
You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt.
Relax, eh? This is the whole reason. Look at this. 12 o'clock when we are supposed to be in classes. You're carrying this thing down to the wharf, to the jetty, to go and take it to where the road ends in Garnibai. Eh? Master? What else? What else? What else?
I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But why you gotta act like nothing wrong? Just get ready for work. You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope
Delivery of school ration.
I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
What is all
You
about
see me
serving them?
You see me do my da. Tell me about that when you walk out, la. When the cat from my da.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me, oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling.